Hey there, today I will be showing you how to fix Messenger call not working in iPhone. And here is how. Number 1, open the App Store. Number 2, look for Messenger. Check if you are using the latest or updated version of the app. If so, then let us proceed to step 3. Number 3, go to Settings. Scroll until you find General, then tap on it. Number 4, tap on iPhone Storage. Number 5, scroll or search for the Messenger app. Number 6, tap Offload app. After that, the cache of your Messenger app will be cleared and this might solve your problem. If it doesn't work, then go back to General. Number 7, scroll and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Number 8, click on Reset. Number 9, click on Reset Network Settings. After that, a pop-up window will appear and it will ask you for your passcode. Input your passcode and follow the procedure. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.